Hey guys, today we're gonna cook chicken satay. Look at that char. We're gonna start off with ordering our ingredients from any feast. And now set out the ingredients for your satay sauce. You're gonna wanna start with roasting your peanuts. This gives it a beautiful nutty flavor. It's time to grind your peanuts into a fine paste. You can peel your peanuts after you roast them if you'd like. There we have it. And now it's time to make the rest of the paste. Toss in your onions. We're gonna go in with the ginger and your lemongrass as well. Now we're gonna use the dried red chili. You can put as many as you feel like depending on your spice tolerance. That looks about right. Or maybe let's just go in with another one. And now you're going to want to grind this into a smooth paste. There we have it. Feel free to use some water if you feel like. And now what you're going to do is salt up your chicken. And just because we like a little more spice, some chili powder, a bit of turmeric as well for the beautiful golden color, cumin powder, and a bit of garam masala. It's time to put the paste that we made earlier into this. Mix it really nice and well. You want to coat every bit of this chicken. Hit it with some soy sauce for that umami. Just a bit, you don't need that much. It's time to skewer the chickens. You can use a wooden skewer if you feel like, or a metal one. Make sure you pack it in nice and well. Also make sure you scrape all the masala off the bowl. We love that masala. Now it's time to grill it on an open flame. You can use a wire rack for this. We just want to char the chicken. You can go ahead and finish cooking it by frying it. And there we have it. Juicy and super flavorful.